my God!
It's great consultation again. And we're gonna pick our, what you call that? Number?
Yeah, we're gonna pick
The order.
order in the court.
Yeah.
Hey, I have something to tell you. It's a news. It's about me and Jem de Guzman. We're so official.
Official chatting.
But, oh my God, I just messaged him like last February 10, and then he just replied to my message and I can't breathe. Oh my God! He said, "Salamat" with smiling face. And now, I'm kind of nervous about my grade in IHAP because it's grade conference day, and it will be headed by Sir Joma. No, it's not Sir Joma. It is I'm not going to drop his name because it's forbidden. And it's definitely not rated. Okay. Say something.
I know, I won't say anything because hindi ko naman siya pinipilit na maging ama. Alam mo yun? Alam mo yun, girl?
Oh, okay. Parang nakakatawa ka.
No, it's just, I will not say anything kasi sobrang ingay ng surrounding dito. And I think that everything that I will say, it will not be heard in this video. That's why I'm gonna say bye na din.
Yeah, we're gonna say bye because they're so freaking disturbing, distracting, and disgusting.
So noisy.
Bye, but we're still pretty. Although it's noisy, we're still pretty. It's constant. It's really constant. I know you'll agree with us. You'll not be disturbed. Bye.